Here we go. Little Donruss, little Panini Optic Contenders. Looking for that Baker Mayfield out of like, we'll settle with like a 5. Baker Mayfield, 3 out of 5. We'll settle for that, man. About 15 hundo piece. Mark, you're on top. Mark, Josh, John. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas, Drew. 5 times, fellas. Let's random you guys up. Pace and column B next to the 8 divisions. And that's the division you guys have for the break. Once, twice, 3 times. 4 times, 5 times. Drew, you're on top. Drew, you're on the bottom 5 times. 5 times, 5 times. Drew, AFC North. John, NFC North. Mark, AFC South. Drew, NFC South. Josh, AFC East. Houston, NFC East. Drew, AFC West. NFC West. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, left it is, eh? Left it is, eh? We've got plenty of Optic Contenders. We have plenty of Optic Contenders. Texas and Tears. Derek Carr. Oh my god, I gotta sneeze. There it is. Alright, Derek Carr, Phillip Rivers. Uh-oh. Redemption poo. Uh-oh. Red alert. Thanks, Drew. Appreciate it, man. At a 199, 2 off from a P Sports Cards 101. Nice Phillip Rivers. Rookie autograph red Kiki, do you love me, Cootie? For the Texans. Kiki Cootie for the Texans. Sorry, it was a little blurry. Rookie ticket RPS autograph read. Next up. Traquan Smith. I think he'll be a stud this year. He was a stud for a few games. He kind of just like fell off, but look for him to have a big year with the Saints. Traquan Smith. I'm calling it big. You heard it here first. Big year, Traquan. Take him late in your fancy foosball. You guys, we're doing a fantasy football league. It'll be pretty sick this year. Pretty dope. Emmitt Smith out of 99. 92 out of 99. Emmitt Smith. Emmitt Smith. For the boys. NFC East. I literally saw a Baker Mayfield. I think it was graded. I don't know if it was even graded. It went for 4 figures. And Alex Smith base. Alright guys, see where these bad boys are going. Texans, Chargers, Saints, and Dallas. Okay. AFC South, Mark Laros. Kiki Cootie. Dallas Cowboys, NFC East, Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. AFC West, Drew. Got the Chargers. And NFC South, you got yourselves the Traquan Smith on card, man. Very nice. I have some more box of Optic Contenders if anybody is interested in those. Alright guys, call them C 5 times ram.org. Whoever's on top, free spot. Autograph mini helmet giveaway. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Jonathan. There you go, man. And that was Optic Contenders number 148. Football bonus break. So that was a Tenders. Division number 148. Cool. Alright guys, any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Please subscribe down below. Never miss a live break. We go live every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate it. Premium jersey up next.